I'm into K-pop. Be into something means to be really interested in something. They're really into soccer.
I'ma light it up like dynamite. I'ma means I'm going to. Light up means to fill with light. Fireworks are lighting up the sky.
King Kong. King Kong is a film monster that has appeared in various media since 1933.
The break of dawn. The break of dawn is the time when it begins to grow light after the night. They are going to dance to the break of dawn.
LeBron. LeBron James, American basketball player.
Alight, adjective, equals burning. They got the fire alight for roasting marshmallows.
Glow up. To become more mature, confident and attractive. Teens tend to glow up when they are truly happy and loved.
Keep your eyes on the ball. Keep your eyes on the ball means to stay focused. If you keep your eyes on the ball, you can make your dreams come true.